How much time do we spend on daily tasks? Making a coffee can usually takes not more than a couple of minutes, but if you are making coffee 2 or 3 times per day, that becomes hours and days, and the same problems we have with the other small daily tasks. If we convert in numbers the time that we spend through the lifespan of 70 years on some actions, we can get the theoretical venture because it's only giving us a close look, but not exact results. Anyone can spend their time how they want, and everybody has different habits and interests. In that case, time and life are unique. But to be honest, if we know how much time we spend on a daily task, it can help us to understand how much of our life we spend on non-essentials. A long time ago we started to measure the time in money, and we work much more and longer so the time itself becomes more valuable. We are losing hours and hours traveling from home to work and reverse, spending time on the phone, washing our cars, and rearranging our wardrobes. Some of the daily tasks we cannot remove from our life, no matter how pointless they seemed. Let's start with a couple of examples. Gas station, 10 minutes. Once per week through the whole life, 25 days. Tying shoelaces, 20 seconds. Once per day through the whole life, 6 days. Taking a lift, 28 seconds. 6 times per day through the whole life, 50 days. Waiting for the green light in your car, 13 seconds. 10 times per day through the whole life, 38 days. Brushing teeth, 60 seconds. 3 times per day through the whole life, 53 days. Nail cutting, 5 minutes. Once per week through the whole life, 13 days. Waiting for the green light at the pedestrian crossing, 58 seconds. 4 times per day through the lifetime, 69 days. Waiting in the line to be served at the fast food restaurant, in the car or in the restaurant itself, 5 minutes. Once per week through the life, 13 days. Button fastening, 15 seconds. 5 times per week through the lifetime, 3 days. Typing passwords, 6 seconds. 3 times per week through the life, 5 days. Making the playlist on your phone, 10 minutes. Once per week through the life, 25 days. Chewing, 8 seconds. 59 times per day through the life, 140 days. Coffee making, 2 minutes. If you are drinking 2 coffees per day, 35 days. Looking for some particular information on the web, 15 seconds. 20 times per day through the lifetime, 80 days. Nail polishing, 5 minutes. Once per week, 13 days. Shaving, 15 minutes. Twice per week, 76 days. Taking a shower, 10 minutes. Once per day, 177 days. Filling glasses, 4 seconds. 8 times per day, 9 days. Turning on your PC, 20 seconds. Once per day, 24 days. Heating your food in the microwave, 30 seconds. Once per day through the lifetime, 9 days. So, we spend approximately 899 days, which is equal to 2 years 5 months, and 6 days if you are living approximately 70 years on these non-essential everyday tasks. We also spend a lot of time on some other daily tasks such as dishwashing, house cleaning, learning, reading, going to work, etc. This is how much time we spend on these daily tasks. 11 years, house cleaning, groceries, dishwashing, laundry. 13 years, learning, working, and looking for a job. 17 years, watching TV, celebrations, vacations, socializing, reading. 29 years, sleeping, sex, eating food, personal hygiene. If you are working 8 hours a day for the same company from Monday to Friday for 40 years, you will spend on that job 9 years and 3 months of your life. Have that in mind. Thank you. See you in the next video.